Next lesson is The Greek Interpreter by Arthur Conan Doyle. The Greek Interpreter, story written by Arthur Conan Doyle. It is one of the detective story solved by Mr. Sherlock Holmes and his brother Mycroft Holmes. Then Mr. Watson is Sherlock Holmes' business associate and a friend who helps him to solve too many mysteries of the case. Mr. Melas is a friend of Mr. Mycroft Holmes who comes to home to take help from him. Then Paul Cratides and Sophie Cratides, they are brother and sister. Mr. Harold Latimer and Wilson Kemp are the robbers. They are the villains in this story. This is the introduction of this story. Mr. Sherlock Holmes and Mr. Watson were having conversation with each other. That time Mr. Sherlock told about his brother Mycroft Sherlock about him to Mr. Watson. While seeing photographs, Mr. Watson asked about his brother. Mr. Mycroft is the elder brother of Sherlock. He also have a detective quality in him and likes to solve crime cases. Mr. Mycroft Holmes always visits to Diogenes Club, and Mycroft has invited both to visit him in that club. Then Mycroft tells them a mysterious story of his neighbor Mr. Melas. Mr. Melas is a Greek person who works as a translator. He works in London. Mr. Latimer hired Mr. Melas for translating his work, and he took Mr. Melas with him in a carriage. But the carriage window were blackout. Means the window of the carriage were black. So Mr. Melas was not able to see on which path he is going with the Mr. Harold Latimer. Means no one was able to see what outside is going on. So Mr. Melas don't know where he is going. Mr. Melas couldn't see out the carriage, and for 2 hours he was traveling but don't know where he was taken. Then night was fallen, then the carriage was stopped and he went into house. Then Mr. Latimer introduced Mr. Melas to a short man. The short man looked like a prisoner. Means Mr. Harold Latimer has kept that short man like a prisoner. The short man is present. Like this doubt came in the mind of Mr. Melas. When Mr. Melas started talking with that short man, that time he came to know that the short man is a Greek man, and to translate what he is saying, so I, means Mr. Melas, have been brought here. Mr. Melas was having questions. That time he came to know that this person is kidnapped by Harold Latimer because his sign was to be taken on a certain documents. So Mr. Harold Latimer has made the present to that short man. Then after interrogation, Mr. Melas was sent to city again, but he was warned that if he told them to anybody, then he will be killed. Then also Mr. Melas approached police to help that short man, but police didn't listen anything. So Mr. Melas went to Mr. Mycroft Holmes and told him everything. Then Mr. Mycroft invited Mr. Sherlock Holmes and Mr. Watson to tell them everything and to solve the case. As Sherlock Holmes is an adventurous detective and started to find clues for the case, Mr. Melas told him the person who was captured and kept as a prison. His name was Paul Cratides. The person who was kept like a prison, the name is of that prisoner is Paul Cratides. He was brought there to sign the property papers which belonged to his sister and him. Mr. Mycroft came with an idea of advertising the name of Paul Cratides. So if anybody knows, then they will surely contact to him. Then someone informed them about his home and where he is. Then they reached there. That time they saw Mr. Paul Cratides was made starved for several days. Mr. Watson said, "We need Mr. Melas for interpretation as he knows Greek, and Mr. Paul is also a Greek man." When they arrived at Mr. Melas' home, that time the door was open and he was not at home. So Sherlock Holmes got that someone has forcibly taken Mr. Melas with him. Here somebody has done force entry. We will see the next part in the next video.